Hello, Mike here from MatterFix.io. I'm doing a video here to give you a little bit more information about what you're getting and what's included when you purchase a new Matterport Pro3 camera from MatterFix. Now, for those of you who aren't familiar with us, at MatterFix.io, we're an authorized service provider for all of Matterport's cameras. We can do repairs on the Pro 2 and the Pro 3 camera, basically any repairs. We also sell new and certified pre-owned cameras, and we operate a rental program where you can rent a Matterport Pro 2 or Pro 3 camera. So to go through what you're getting when you purchase a new Matterport Pro 3 camera from us. Now, typically we only sell the basic Matterport Pro 3 capture kit, which is going to include the camera, a lens cover, a zipper pouch, a battery, and the charger assembly. So basically everything you need to have to get started. You'll need to provide a tripod and a capture device to actually go out and do a job. But we sell typically the basic Pro 3 kit. And when you purchase it from us, first of all, I'd point out that you're going to get a 2-year warranty. This is double the normal manufacturer's warranty. So if anything happens to it, if the camera doesn't function correctly during the first 2 years after you purchase it from us, we're going to fix it for you for free. Now, the only caveat to that is if the camera gets dropped or has any physical damage, then that's going to void that warranty. But if you haven't dropped it, anything quits working in 2 years, send it to us. We're going to take care of it. So 2-year warranty, free shipping. And then lastly, typically if we're shipping a camera kit outside of the state of Florida, we will not need to charge sales tax in most instances. Our volumes are fairly small, so we haven't hit the thresholds to need to collect sales tax in most jurisdictions. So free shipping, 2-year warranty, and in most cases, no sales tax. Now, what are you going to get? Like I said, this is going to be the basic Pro 3 kit that typically sells for $59.95 is the suggested price. We usually are going to have them available for less than that. It's going to come in this box, factory box. Typically it's going to be sealed. We won't have opened it. Occasionally, if we need to verify a serial number or something like that, we may open it before it gets shipped to you. So you've got a good protective outer box. And then when you go on the inside, get this out of the way. Here, you've got the inner box or the marketing box with a couple of nice protective padded end caps on it. Take this off. So here's the typical packaging. It's going to have a seal on one side. I'm going to cut the seal on this one. Okay. And then the top box, the top cover just slides off. And kind of an overview then of what you're getting. This is what we call the zipper pouch, and inside it is going to be the camera, the battery, and the tripod adapter. And then outside of it, you're going to have the charging assembly. So you've got a cradle that the battery fits into, a cable that goes from the cradle to this charging block that plugs into the wall. So fairly typical for an electronic device nowadays as far as the charging goes. Okay, so that there. Like I said, this is what's traditionally called the zipper pouch. Now, the older version of this was smaller. It just held the camera. This is the newer version of the pouch. And if you open it up inside, what you're going to get, like I said, you've got the camera. It's going to come with a lens cover on it. You've got the tripod adapter, you've got the battery, and an instruction manual, and then another pocket to put other stuff in when you're scanning. So that kind of walks you through what it is that you're going to get. Now, additionally, when you purchase a camera from us, we're there to support you all the way. So if you have any issues, if you have questions about how to use the camera, you get out on a job, you get stuck, have an issue, you've got a model uploaded and you need some help on editing and sharing, just kind of any questions like that, you can always reach out to us. We're very responsive and definitely want to help you out. So I hope we do business with you, and thanks.